Descriptive research design aims to accurately describe a situation, population, or phenomenon. It answers the when, what, where of research question without manipulating any variables. The common methods include surveys, observational studies, and case studies. For example, a survey to determine the percentage of people who prefer one of brand over another falls under descriptive research.
There are two types of research design. There are descriptive research design and there are experimental research design. Experimental research design, this aims to establish cause and effect relationship between variables by manipulating one or more independent variables and observing their effects on dependent variables. It includes elements such as control groups, random assignments, and various control to reduce bias. For example, an experimental study might investigate the impact of a new educational program on students' academic performance by randomly assigning some students to participate in the program and comparing their results with those of a control group.
Number 2, choosing the appropriate quantitative research design is crucial because it determines the reliability of the study findings. Number 3, research instrument is essential because it ensures the tools used are accurately measuring what they are intended to measure. Valid instrument increase the credibility of the research findings. Thank you.
Importance of establishing the validity of instruments. Establishing the validity of instruments is essential because it ensures that the tools used in research accurately measure the variables that they are intended to measure. Valid instrument provides reliable data, reducing errors and biases in the data collection process. This in turn enhances the credibility of a research finding, allowing for informed conclusion and the evidence-based recommendation. In quantitative research, having a valid instrument means that the study can genuinely reflect the phenomena being studied, leads to the trustworthy and the meaningful results that contribute to field knowledge base.